Hey, superstars, this is Theophilus King, and again, I'm here to do another beautiful video. Today, we'll be talking about Safepal. It's a private wallet that you can store your cryptocurrencies, you can use it to receive, and you can use it to send. I actually like using Safepal for my transactions because it is pretty very much fast. I prefer Safepal to Trust Wallet because when you do any transaction, you can actually see on a single page. You can see um, the transaction ID or the transaction hash on a single page. You could just click on a button to copy the hash. You don't have to go to Windows Explorer, a browser, to go to blockchain to copy hash. So today will be talking about how to use the Safepal. Okay, so you just go on your Google Play Store. If you're using Android, go on your Google Play Store. If you're using iPhone, go on your iOS, then to download it. This is the name right there, Safepal. Okay, it's a crypto wallet. So once you're done downloading it, you will see it will appear like this. All right, so here, because I already have it, I want to add a new wallet. For you, if you're new, you'll probably be seeing stuff like create a password, the login password, like 6 digits or something. Yeah, so just put in 6 digit numbers, then they'll ask you to confirm. You confirm the number on the next page, and then of course it will open and ask you to um what's it called, create a new wallet or import an existing wallet. So it means if you have this Safepal on your other phone, old phone that you don't use anymore, if you still remember the phrases, the 12 secret or recovery phrases, you can actually use it to import your existing wallet. Otherwise, you just go straight to creating new wallets. Okay, so if we create a new wallet, what we're going to see, let's dive into this. It's going to ask for password. Okay, it's going to ask you, by the time you click on create new wallet, it's going to ask you for password. Remember the 6 digit password that you used when you were signing it into the app. So that's what you put in here. Okay, so I put mine now. So when you put it, it's going to ask you this: would you like to create a new wallet now? Just click yes, create now. So it's going to be, your wallet is ready. So at this point, don't skip. Please do not skip. You have to click back up. You're going to click back up. All right. um so this video is just for training purposes. Okay, thereafter I'm going to delete this wallet. Okay, it's not like I'm just going to use it to educate you. So you have to click on backup. Don't skip this. All right, click backup. It's going to ask you, would you back up to Google or back up manually? I always like to do manual because sometimes this Google thing, you don't know who can hack your Google account and they have access to your backup phrase. So I'll just do backup manually. All right, so when you do that, the next page, they might not show it to you. It might be blank because of security. These guys, they have the way of securing, especially when you are doing screen recording or you are sharing your screen with someone. The next page, it will be blank. Okay, so when I click on this backup manually, it's going to ask you to tick this, this, and this. So you just tick 1, 2, 3, then click understood right there. Understood. So when I click on it, it's going to ask for that password again. Remember, so it's going to show you something like this. This is like a recovery phrase that you have to you know copy out to your phone. Some people can save it on their WhatsApp, personal WhatsApp, like send it to themselves. But I always prefer that you get a paper, you write it down. Do not screenshot this. They won't even allow you to screenshot. Do not snap it and send publicly to your WhatsApp. Anybody can have access to that, because once this code is received by anybody, they can actually use it to hack your account and then withdraw your money. So you take note of all of these 1 to 12 in the order at which it appears: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, that's why I say it's recommended that you write it on a piece of paper and store it somewhere. It says avoid, do not screenshot, do not store, do not send. Okay, so once you're done, you click on next. Once you have written this down, click on next. Take note that these letters or these words, they are all in small letters. Okay, no capital letter. Okay, so we go to the next page, and it's going to ask you on the next page to start selecting one by one from number 1 to number 12, the way it appears in your paper. Number 1, you click on it, you come here, you select which one is number 1 or which one is number 2. That's how you select all of them, all of them, all of them, until you get to the last number 12. And once you do that, you click on verify. So once you verify, boom, your wallet is open. So, and once your wallet opens, what you're going to see next, you will see something like this. Okay, this is actually the wallet. I didn't back it up, so like I said, I'm going to delete it hereafter. So you're going to have something like this. So once you have something like this, what do you do next? You just simply click on this to manage the coin, because probably you don't need all of them. For the purpose of global fund, what we need is USDT BEP20, USDT TRC20. Then you need BNB for gas fee. Though these guys, their charges are very, very small, like sometimes 0.000 something dollars. So even if you put in BNB, $2 BNB can actually save you for a whole year or even more. Okay, so we're going to click on this 3 dotted line. Then next you click on manage coins. You manage. Then here we want to just pick out the relevant ones. Okay, we want to untick the ones we don't need. So now from this page, we're going to start ticking from tick and untick the ones we don't need. Okay, right there. So BTC, I don't need BTC. I don't need Ethereum. I need Tron here, because some of you might receive Tron, but Tron on Safepal, transferring Tron is quite expensive, though, Tron and Ethereum. So that's why I prefer to use it for BEP20. Okay, which is very cheap. So but anyway, I'm going to leave Tron, I'm going to leave BNB, I'm going to remove Pol, I'm going to remove Sol, Ethereum, all these. I don't need them. Then yes, I need TRC20 USDT. I don't need this one. I don't need this one. I don't need I don't need USDT ERC20. No, I don't need that. So what else do I need? I need USDT BEP20. So I'm just going to come here right in the box, okay, and type it there, USDT that I need. So I'm going to search. We already have TRC20. Now I'm looking for BEP20. So that's it right there. This is what we need, USDT BEP20. So all I need to do is just click on this plus sign to add it to the wallet. I just click on it, and that's it. So once you're done, just click here to go back. Just click on this to go back, that arrow right there. So I go back again. Then that's my wallet. So I still have this one and this. I need to remove these two. I don't need them. So I'm just going back again, manage coin. remove this, and which other one, remove this. So, and I go back again. Yeah, so that's all I need. So now what you do next is you click on USDT BEP20 to copy the wallet address. Then you click on receive. Okay, because we want to copy the wallet address from here and take it to Global Fund Wave to put on our account right there. Okay, so I click on receive. I just say, well, you won't see this because you have done your backup. Okay, but it's just alerting you that you need to back up your account before you start receiving funds into your account. So I'm just going to skip for now, and I just click on copy. So when I click on copy, this is what I would take to my account. I click on profile. Then this is what, if you have not filled this before, you just paste it right here. You paste it right here, and then you just click on upload. Then your TRC20, you can do the same. Go back again. TRC20. This is it. TRC20 USDT TRC20. Then I click on receive again. Skip, and I copy this. Go back. Then I put it right there where you have TRC20. Before I click on update profile. Now this is for new members. For existing members, if you want to change your wallet address, you have to request. Click on this request button, then to ask you to fill this form and submit. Put this BEP20 here, put TRC20 here, then and click on submit request. So guys, that's basically how you do it. So, but if you want to receive money, I've shared with you how to do that. You click on receive, but when you're sending, if you're sending BEP20, for instance, you just click on send. Okay, put the wallet address where you're sending to, then you type in here the amount of USDT you are sending, then you click on send. Then they'll ask you for your password, boom, and it's gone. So it's very easy. So after you do that, this is what the part where I like it. So what I like it is when you go to history, send, when you click on, after you have sent, you'll see a receipt like this. So all you just need to do is take a screenshot of this page, then copy the hash. You see the hash is here, but in Trust Wallet, you won't have it like this. Your hash will not show like this. Okay, so you can just copy by clicking on that copy button, and it shows you copy. All right, so that's it, guys. If you love this video, give it a thumbs up, share with your team members, and remember to follow me on my YouTube channel. If you're watching this on my YouTube channel, please smash that subscribe button. Subscribe to my channel so that more videos that I'll be doing, you will not miss any of them. The next video I'll be doing will be on the Global Fund Wave, how the commission is paid, how you withdraw your commission, and all of that. So watch out for that video. Thank you, superstars. Remember to subscribe. See you guys. Bye.